on Monday, driven by a sharp rise in expectations of a December interest rate cut by the Federal Reserve. Gold prices broke strongly above the upper bound of the recent consolidation range. Spot gold closed at $4,134.61, up $69.69, or 1.71%, as the market enters a critical period ahead of the December rate-setting decision. Newly released remarks from officials have further pushed the market to lean towards monetary easing. The latest data from the FedWatch tool shows that the probability of a 25-basis-point rate cut in December has risen to 81%, while the probability of keeping interest rates unchanged has fallen to 19%. Market expectations have undergone a drastic shift in just 1 week, mainly due to several core Federal Reserve officials releasing dovish signals collectively. Last Friday, John Williams, president of the Federal Reserve Bank of New York, was the first to hint at a rate cut, and on Monday, Christopher Waller, a Federal Reserve governor, also stated that he is inclined to implement a rate cut in December. He pointed out that his main concern is the labor market. Conversely, the upside risks to inflation are limited, and the impact of additional costs brought by tariffs is far less severe than previously feared. Therefore, he is actively calling for a rate cut at the next meeting. Affected by the U.S. government shutdown, several delayed data releases are scheduled for this week, including September Retail Sales Tuesday, Producer Price Index PPI Tuesday, Weekly Initial Jobless Claims Wednesday, and Core PCE Inflation Wednesday. However, October's data still cannot be fully supplemented, and analysts generally believe that this policy meeting may become the least data-supported one in recent years. The market has become increasingly convinced that a rate cut is imminent, and the weakening U.S. dollar has further expanded the upside room for gold. Against the backdrop of falling interest rate expectations and a pullback in the U.S. dollar index, gold strengthened. Disclaimer: all the above content is for reference only and does not constitute investment advice. Any trading decisions made based on this information are at your own risk of profit or loss. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching.